Hi everyone, welcome back to Flourish Academy. In this quick video, I will show you how to add color text outputs to your Python programs using the Colorama library. Now, as you know, the first thing we need to do is to first install our Python library, which we'll do with the pip install Colorama. Now, it's going to tell me that system requirement already satisfied because I have already installed it. And the next thing I'm going to do now is to write the script. Before I can write the script, I need to create a Python file inside this color.py folder. So I'm going to say color.py. Now we can write our script. So the next thing I need to do now is to just say from Colorama imports 4, like foreground, FORAGROUND. So that's like 4. Now, next thing we need to do is now use our print statements to print our color.py. Now, once red color, we'll say for that red plus hello world with string. Copy this and come here. So the next one I'll say magenta. This we'll say here. Welcome to color out plus. And here I'll say whites. Flourish to column. Goodbye. And with this one, let's say appealing. I'm going to turn this one to lights and turn this one to black. And let's say blue. And that is it. We're done. Now the next thing we need to do now is to execute this file. So I'm going to do that. Now clear my terminal and say Python. Remember to check that you are in the current directory of where your file is present. As you can see, I have colored outputs here, and that is the name of my folder where my Python file that I want to execute is present. Say Python colored.py. As you can see, for.red gives us hello world in red. For.magenta gives us welcome to color.py in magenta color. For.white, when according to my system color, this is white. And then I did white 2 times. So we have another white here. And then the last one is blue. And that's why this is in color blue. And that is it. Now with colored output, it is perfect for making your programs easier to read. You can highlight errors in red, show success messages in green, or style your headings with bright colors. And with that, you just learned how to use Colorama for colorful outputs in Python. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coding tips from Flourish Academy. Thank you.